We've docked in the port of Livorno this morning and driven up into the beautiful hills of Tuscany. The sun is shining on us. It is like Tuscany that you've heard and dreamed about. We're going to explore today, and we have our wonderful expert guide to help us. Marco, thank you for joining us today.
Welcome to Italy. Welcome
to
Tuscany.
I am so happy to be in Tuscany. Tell me what you're going to show us today.
First of all, we're going to have a great lunch here. After, we take the car. We go to a place called the San Gimignano. You saw it as we came here. Little village, top of a hill.
Lots of towers.
The ancient towers, beautiful shops, good wine, good food, wonderful landscapes.
Can't wait. But this gorgeous place where we are right now is where we're going to have lunch and where Viking guests have lunch. And I would love to introduce the family who runs this family farm. I don't even want to say a restaurant.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Benedetta and Umberto. Lovely to meet you both, and thank you. You've invited us to your home and your farm.
Welcome, benvenuti.
How long has this been in your family?
It's been in our family since 1932. Last year it was 90 years from Umberto to Umberto. You are very welcome in our farm. We're very looking forward to show you my mom, Cuisine. She's been cooking all day for you, and I hope you're gonna enjoy.
We've met your mom. She didn't want to be on camera, but I can guarantee you it's going to be I can't wait. Delicious.
Yes.
We also love all the animals here.
I was looking at him because I was like, Merlo, come here with us.
Come here.
Good.
But I love it. An actual farm.
Biagio, of course.
Oh, excuse me, we were
old
rude.
guy.
Biagio is posing for the camera. He says,
always.
I am important too. Oh, I love it. I know our guests love it here because I'm ready to stay all day, but I know you'll make me leave. So should we go have lunch?
Yes,
we go have lunch.
Thank you.
Ladies first.
Thank you, sir. Benedetta, would you walk me through this gorge? I don't want to mess it up. It looks like a piece of art.
So we have the traditional Tuscan bread. Obviously that is with no salt because as you see we have very savory stuff.
So the bread has...
The beautiful one and only bruschetta.
This is
made with our extra virgin olive oil, garlic and salt.
So this is local olive oil.
Exactly, from the field that are all around.
Marco, you're going to join me because
Some ricotta cheese.
Now, do I just take a little...
You should take a piece of everything.
All right, I will.
Because it's an experience, needs to be completed.
You don't need to force me.
Exactly.
This cheese looks...
That's the gorgonzola, the one and only blue cheese that it's so creamy that everyone loves.
Oh, look at it, it just melts.
Yeah.
That's not from Tuscany, but it's still good.
Exactly.
Oh, how nice of you to say that.
Although it's not from here.
But it's an experience. You always need blue cheese in your life.
Okay, in your life.
Exactly. Then we have some pepperoni. They're not spicy at all. They're quite sour. So once you had some cheese, they're actually very pleasant.
Okay, they pair well.
This is when we have a lot of veggies, the best way to preserve them is to put them under oil. So here we have peppers, artichokes, and mushrooms. And they're all from our vegetable gardens. And we actually put them under oil, so they're gonna experience a very savory and very pleasant notes. That's one of the specialties for my mom.
Oh, this looks really good.
Onion under Chianti wine, which is
onion
the red
with
wine.
Chianti.
Chianti vinegar.
I know.
Yes.
Okay.
Vinegar from the
that I've got to try.
And this is the vinegar from Vernaccia. So here you have a bit more sour, a bit thicker in the aroma, while here they're very sweet and so pleasant.
So these both are brand new to me.
Here we have the eggplants. Eggplants under oil.
Oh.
Very, very nice, and it's outstanding. Maybe one of my favorite things in the world. Olives, obviously.
And I have to repeat, your mother made all this.
All this is made by my mom. Oh. Exactly.
Olives from the trees that are just outside the window.
We have the olives to make olive oil. These one are actually bought from neighbors, so whatever is not produced here, we get from our neighbors, and it's literally kilometer zero, all of it.
I love it that you talk local and you're like, no, it's not from our farm, it's from next
Yes,
door.
it's
That's
from-
very local still.
Yes.
Yes.
And then we have this one, it's actually 100% made here, from the spelt to the herbs to the carrots. Everything comes from our vegetable garden. The chickpeas come from our land as well. And obviously this is a friend from my elementary school that makes salami and formaggio. Still very local, still very nice, and still friends that are producing and we're supporting. Prosciutto Toscano, salame, and finocchiona. Fennel salami.
Okay, finocchiana. I'm not familiar.
Finocchiona. It's literally salami, but with fennel.
Oh,
Little
lovely.
fennel
So
seeds.
nice, fennel seeds.
All right, I am ready to sit down and enjoy this feast. We'll put that. I took someone
Enjoy the
else's.
food and the wine.
Umberto, thank you very much.
Welcome.
And
Buon appetito.
Benedetta, thank you
Buon
so
appetito.
much.
Grazie,
Buon
grazie.
appetito.
Grazie.
Good.
Grazie mille.
Grazie mille. Wow.
Fluent,
Vedi,
yeah.
vedi?
Fluent Italian. And some wine, yes. We have the Vernaccia di San Gimignano.
Oh,
It's,
so local, San Gimignano.
Exactly. It's the first DOC of Italy. It's 100% Vernaccia. It's organic and vegan certified. It's a very, very special wine. You can think that Dante Alighieri talks about this wine in his Divina Commedia. So it's very, very important to say that it's one of the oldest in history wines from
That is
Italy.
so from Dante's Divine Comedy to my
Exactly.
mouth.
Exactly. And then if someone is
Lovely.
not very much into white wine, this one is still very nice white wine for a reason that my dad says that it's a red dressed in white. For the structure, it can even age in time.
A red dressed in white.
Yes.
It is lovely, and I'll toast Dante, but mostly you and your family. Thank
Grazie.
Grazie.
you. This has been a highlight.
Salute.
And
Salute.
obviously Chianti Colli Senesi, made with Sangiovese grape, still organic and still vegan. It's a bit more fruity on the fruity side, while here we have more flowers, but they're very nice to toast and enjoy your meal.
Very nice. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Grazie mille,
Grazie.
buon appetito!
Oh, how lovely. After a true Tuscan farm lunch, we looked out to the next hillside and saw the towers of San Gimignano, our next stop on our Tuscan adventure.